Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will be showing you exactly how to withdraw Blum coin from Telegram in 2024. Let's get started. First, open up the Telegram and log into your account. Next, search for Blum and tap the start button. Once you're in, tap on Launch Blum and hit start. You'll need to create an account, so go ahead and add your nickname, then tap on continue. Now head over to the task option in the bottom. You'll see a list of tasks. You can also access the wallet option. To connect your wallet, select T-Keeper. Enter your passcode to link your wallet and choose the active option. You should see a code pop up on your screen now. Next, go back to the Blum chat and select Launch Blum. You'll see that you're framing here. Once that's done, go to Done Keeper. That's called the Done Keeper as well, and you'll get to the option to swap. Tap on Buy and Sell, and you can select different ton coins. And that's it. You can even invite friends to join you on Blum Coin. If this video was helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.